Bollywood superstar Salman Khan soaked himself in the spirit of patriotism as he spent his day with the Indian Navy sailors in Visakhapatnam. The Indian Navy works to protect the shores of our nation, often sacrificing their lives and time with their families only to ensure that the Indian seas are safe and secure. To pay an ode to the armed forces, Salman Khan took a day off from work to spend some time with the sailors in Visakhapatnam. The heartwarming images that went viral on social media depict the joy on their faces. Waving the tricolour joyously, Salman had a fun time with the sailors. Independence Day is just around the corner, and this was his way of starting the celebrations. The Indian Navy officials looked quite ecstatic to have him on board. They hoisted the Indian flag together with the actor and did quite a few other fun activities too. This is not the first time that Salman visited the Indian Navy. In 2014, Salman spent Independence Day with the naval officers in Goa. Talking about his love for the armed forces, he even played the role of a naval officer in his movie Bharat, in which he starred opposite Katrina Kaif.